Now to what could become the biggest Medicaid cuts in history and the impact it would have on families who have loved ones in nursing homes, hospitals, and addiction treatment centers. Last week, Republicans voted to advance $880 billion in cuts. And tonight, Democrats are warning families would be forced to pick up the bill, leaving them to find new treatment options. Tonight, 7 News senior reporter Eileen Buckley is sharing the voice of a woman who lives at the Greenfield Health and Rehabilitation Center on Broadway in Lancaster to get her take.
A lot of people do depend on it, and I will shortly.
Eileen Worth has been living at Greenfield's Health in Lancaster for more than 3 years and expects to go on Medicaid soon.
It's hard, and I know that there's a couple people here that would really like to have a peaceful night.
You're beautiful people. I have a mom who's 96.
U.S. Senator Chuck Schumer greeting a large crowd of residents and employees at the center, appearing a week after congressional Republicans voted to cut $880 billion from Medicaid. The senator says without Medicaid, thousands of Western New York seniors could be forced out of health care centers because they won't have the money to stay.
It would blow a crater through health care throughout Western New York.
I received a statement from Republican Congressman Nick Langworthy, who says in part Schumer is lying, and he claims there will be no cuts to Medicare, Medicaid, or Social Security benefits. He also says they're trying to root out waste, fraud, and abuse. And if Schumer really cared about seniors, he would be fighting the billions lost every year to fraud.
They haven't shown any evidence of that. I'd like them to come here and say who shouldn't be here. You know, that's a horrible, cruel thing to do. And they've given no documentation of this. They just say it.
So the argument that there's tens of thousands in Erie County or millions nationwide who don't qualify is without merit, because governments are required to review that.
Now, County Executive Mark Poloncarz says he took a good look at the Medicaid numbers, finding 36% here in Erie County rely on it.
From infants to our oldest residents. It is the largest healthcare coverage organization of any in our community.
What's your message to those in Washington that are trying to cut this?
Just listen to the people, and everybody else should call in and do stuff. All of us here.
Eileen Buckley, 7 News, Lancaster.